personally didn't doubt Vanessa, honestly, from the very beginning, because I think she comes off as a very strong character, but when you get to know her, you really get to know her. So I honestly didn't think you were a traitor.
I felt like I doubted Oyin at the point where we'd made the second mistake with Faye. It wasn't showed, but I pulled her in the room. I literally
and she was like, if you're a traitor,
I was like, tell me right now. Because it's like, for me, those two exits were, one, blown out of proportion, but two, so confusing, because when you're in there, it came across like we were coming at her, but we had information, just like we had been playing the whole time, that was misinformation, and we were hopping on someone that we felt was a traitor because of suspicious behavior. But when you're seeing somebody literally confused by your words and you think like you're justified in what you're saying, it's so confusing. And then to be wrong twice, and then it's only me and Oyin in it, so
it's like pointless.
Do you know what I mean? The same way that it applied to Faye, and we were like, okay, if this is wrong, it's wrong for you. But I literally had to just pull her and just be like, I genuinely don't even know if you're lying to me. And that's kind of how I felt with Ben as well, because like when you become close to someone, like they could be lying to you, and which like he was, but and it's very hard to be able to discern that, you know.